What's going on, Sacred Takes family? Today we'll be showing you guys how to do this easy glow ray light effect inside After Effects. You guys don't need no plugins whatsoever to do this effect. Anyone can do it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit that like button to help YouTube spread out my videos to more content creators and editors as well. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects, guys. Now that we're inside After Effects, guys, as you can see, there is no glow on the chain, and that's what we'll be working on with today. First thing what you're going to want to do is you want to press Ctrl D on your layer. That's going to create a duplicate. After you have that duplicate, you're going to double click on it, and that's going to open up a layer, and this is the layer that we will be doing our rotoscope inside of. For you to get your roto brush tool, it's on the top left corner. It's this one right here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit with my mouse. If you hold Control on your keyboard, the circle gets either bigger or smaller. The bigger the circle is, the more area it will roto brush for you. The smaller it is, the less of an area it will roto brush. Since our chain is pretty small, guys, we're going to keep the circle kind of small. This is a good size. I'm going to head over to where I want it to be roto brushed. Boom. It did a perfect job around the chain. Perfect circle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go frame by frame and make sure the roto brush stays locked onto that chain pendant. I'm going to head over to my preview. I'm going to press play, and I'm going to let After Effects do its thing. As you can see, when you press play, it automatically goes frame by frame for you guys. And if the roto brush messes up, all you have to do is press pause, go back in and change it. But our roto brush is looking perfect, so I'm gonna let it play through. After Effects did an amazing job locking that in for us. After you guys went frame by frame, you're gonna head down to the freeze button. You're gonna press freeze. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna lock every single keyframe in for you guys, so the roto brush stays connected to the pendant. Once it finishes freezing up, you could go ahead and close that layer. So the first effect you're going to throw in is glow. Throw it on top of your top layer, the roto brush layer. And as you can see, there's already a glow on the chain. If you mess around with the glow threshold, the lower you bring it, the more glow will be. The higher you bring it, the less glow. We're going to leave it at 40%. Then we're going to leave that glow radius at about 15 as well. Glow intensity is how much glow there is. So I'm going to bring that to about 6. After you guys added the glow, you're gonna go back to your effects and presets and search up CC light rays. This is where the magic really happens. You're gonna throw down your top layer, your rotoscope layer. Now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna keyframe the center. Press this button right here, and you're gonna put that point right in the center in the beginning of your clip. You're gonna skip to the end of the clip and make sure you bring that point back to the center of the chain. If you guys play around with the radius, you can see it kind of spreads out. We keep the radius just like that at 30. If we play it back, this is how it's looking now. I'm not liking how that ray is coming out like that, so I'm gonna bring the intensity down. Now when we play it back, you guys can see there is that cool ray glow effect on the chain. Now if I turn off the effects, you can see there's a pretty big difference. It has that cool little element to your clip that I think is pretty fire. Now for the extra sauce, guys, if you got to this far in the video, don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't yet. It's free, you're not paying me a single dime. So hit that like button down below. Go ahead, I'll wait. Hit that like button. Come on, I know you want to. Alright guys, just because you liked the video, I'm going to show you the extra sauce now. So you're going to go back to your effects and presets. You're going to search up hue/saturation. Go ahead and throw it on your top clip. And what this is going to do is it's going to make the color of your chain change. You guys don't have to do it. I'm just showing you the extra sauce for that like. Don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your channel range at the beginning of the clip. Keyframe it. You're going to go to the end of your clip. And then this circle right here, you're gonna spin it about 2 times. Let's do 3. Now if we play it back, you can see the chain pendant is also changing colors. Pretty fire. And that is the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe button down below. I know I haven't dropped in a while, but I'm back to YouTube. I'm gonna be dropping videos weekly, tutorials weekly. If you guys wanna learn how to edit inside of After Effects, this is the channel for you. If there's any editors who use DaVinci, comment down below. I might start dropping DaVinci tutorials as well. With that being said, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Please guys, really helps the channel grow. And I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.